हेलो गाइस। आज मैं फिर एक नया टॉपिक लेकर आई हूँ जिसका नाम है ऑर्गल डायग्राम। तो देखिए, ऑर्गल डायग्राम इट कंसीडर ओनली वीक फील्ड ligand. ऑर्गल डायग्राम आर यूज्ड फॉर इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ spin allowed bonds of dd origin in octahedral transition metal complexes. It is used to assign the electronic transition in weak field or high spin transition metal complexes and all tetrahedral complexes. It cannot be used for low spin or strong field complexes because octahedral field is stronger than dd inner electronic repulsion. How we show orgel diagram? First we write down the spin multiplicity of ground and excited free ion terms in desired diagram. Then write down the same multiplicity for the terms obtained by splitting of terms. Third, write down subscript G to all terms energy label if metal ion is in weak octahedral field. Fourth point is show all possible transition from ground state to different excited states, and then different configuration and related energy terms. We divide it two part: configuration and energy terms or and excited state. So here is configuration and energy term for D1 configuration or D9 configuration. We write energy term 2D to 2T2G to EG. For D2 D8 configuration we write 3F to 3T1G. For D3 D7 configuration we write 4F 4P 4T1GP, and for D4 D6 configuration we write 4T1P 4T2G 4AG. For D4 D6 we also write 5D for 5D 5T2G and 5AG. And next is DN and DN plus 5 configuration have same orgel diagram in octahedral field, and for DN and DN plus 5 have same diagram in tetrahedral field. DN and DN plus 5 is an octahedral field is reversed to that of DN and DN plus 5 for tetrahedral field. Dn of octahedral field is same as that of D10 minus n of tetrahedral field. Dn of tetrahedral field is same as that of D10 minus n of octahedral field. Orgel diagram for D1 and D9 ion in octahedral field is firstly we see D1 configuration and their orgel diagram. For D1 there is an example titanium hexaaqua complex. First we have decided excited state. Then firstly we fill electrons in d orbital. There is D1 system, so one electron is filled in there, and next excitation is happened and that electron excited in excited state. Next we write orgel diagram for it. There is orgel diagram. Here we see that the ground state is T2G and excited state is EG. So this is ground state to T2G and excited state EG, and this is 2D energy label. Energy term we write energy term 2D. And next, magnitude of splitting depends upon the nature of ligand. So magnitude of splitting is depends upon the nature of ligand, which type of ligand we have. Okay, next is D9 configuration. D9 in octahedral field. For D9 configuration we take example copper hexaaqua complex. This is ground state and this is excited state. When one electron is excited in the presence of photochemical, then this is happen when electron is excited in Eg label from T to G. Okay, then we write Orgel diagram for it. So Orgel diagram energy term is 2D, and their ground state is Eg to 2T to G. So we can see that uh, Orgel diagram of D1 system and D9 system is same. Okay, next we see D1 tetrahedral is equal to D9 octahedral. It means D1 tetrahedral Orgel diagram is same as D9 octahedral complex. Okay, and for D9 tetrahedral is equal to D1 octahedral complex. Though so here we see the Orgel diagram of combined D1 and D9 tetrahedral is that. Next, in tetrahedral we do not use subscript G because tetrahedral is unsymmetrical. For tetrahedral complexes we do not use G because tetrahedral is unsymmetrically filled. Okay, and then we see Orgel diagram for D2 or D8 system. D2 or D8 system, so same as it is, D2 octahedral is equal to D2 octahedral is equal to D8 tetrahedral, and D8 octahedral is equal to D2 tetrahedral, means their Orgel diagram is same. Okay, next we see D3 or D7 configuration. Here, there is also same D7 octahedral Orgel diagram is same as D3 tetrahedral, or D2 octahedral is same as D8 tetrahedral. For D8 system we take example nickel hexaaqua complex, and for D3 system chromium hexaaqua complex. For D2 system we take vanadium hexaaqua complex, and for D7 system we take cobalt hexaaqua complex. Next we see D4 or D6 Orgel diagram. Here is also D4 octahedral Orgel diagram is equal to D6 tetrahedral Orgel diagram, and D6 octahedral diagram is equal to D4 tetrahedral diagram.